In the quiet hum of a new day, our minds awaken. But for millions, the dawn brings not peace, but a silent, unseen battle. A storm of anxiety that rages within, isolating us even in a crowd. Have you ever felt a profound sadness that just won't lift? Or a wave of anxiety so intense it feels like you're drowning? You're not alone. These feelings are more than just a bad day. They can be signs of a mental illness, a real medical condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Today, let's pull back the curtain on the science behind mental health and hear the stories of those who walk this path every day. Mental illness isn't a character flaw or a sign of weakness. It's a complex condition rooted in our biology and brain chemistry. Think of your brain as a bustling city with intricate networks of communication. Neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine are the messengers that carry signals between brain cells. When there's an imbalance too much or too little of these messengers, it can disrupt everything. For example, low levels of serotonin are often linked to depression, affecting mood, sleep, and appetite. Regions like the amygdala, our brain's fear center, can become overactive in anxiety disorders, sending false alarms that trigger a fight-or-flight response even in safe situations. Meanwhile, the prefrontal cortex, which helps with decision-making and emotional regulation, might struggle to keep these reactions in check. These biological changes manifest in very real ways. Imagine Sarah, a graphic designer who loves her job. But lately, depression has made it impossible for her to find joy in her creativity. Getting out of bed feels like climbing a mountain, and deadlines that once energized her now feel overwhelming. Or consider Mark, a college student who experiences panic attacks. In the middle of a lecture, his heart starts racing. His palms sweat, and he feels a terrifying sense of doom, even though there's no actual danger. He starts avoiding classes. His grades slip, and he feels isolated from his friends who don't understand what he's going through. A past trauma that echoes its whispers, shaping our present reality. Have you ever wondered what's happening inside the brain during these moments? Let's journey into the intricate landscape of our minds. Here, trillions of neural connections form the very fabric of our thoughts and emotions. When we feel balanced, neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine flow freely, creating pathways of. But when faced with stress or trauma, this delicate system can be disrupted. Cortisol, the stress hormone, floods our system. In key areas like the amygdala, our brain's fear center, and the hippocampus, which governs memory, the signals become erratic. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for decision-making, struggles to maintain control. This isn't a sign of weakness. It's a physiological response to overwhelming experiences. From the outside, it might look like a fleeting expression or a withdrawn posture. But inside, it's a complex neurological event. The good news is, our brains are remarkably resilient. Through therapies that help us process emotions, mindfulness that calms the storm, and sometimes medication that helps rebalance our brain chemistry, these pathways can be healed. New connections can form, glowing with renewed stability. Recovery is not just possible, it's a testament to our profound capacity for healing. If you're struggling, know that help is available and you are not alone. Reaching out is the first step toward reclaiming your inner peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.